Yeah.
Boy, you meet friends wherever you go,
Yes,
right?
You do.
Well, we're here at Rochester's Toy for Tots run here out at Donley Farms. Anyways, we've got a quite a contingent from L Rock, donated a bunch of toys, filling up the trailer that is over there. Got Jackie up here. We're running we're being the tail gunners here, so it's all good. Little dusty, which is really strange for this area, but good time will be had by all. The reason you're not seeing me narrate any of this stuff is that I forgot to trim my nose hairs. And who says you need a city in order to have a traffic jam?
It looks like somebody's being towed down on the right side of the hill.
More proof gravity works. Well, you plotting and scheming?
We are. We're checking out the hills behind us. Yeah.
Everyone, am I supposed to turn left where all the cars are gathering at the bottom of the hill?
Yep, there's an opening
With water.
There's an opening in the water, and you can either go straight across or like to the left. Let me know when you're caught up and stuff.
We're all kind of just coming off the hill. I'm seeing everybody. I'm like 4 cars behind the white Wrangler.
Went past Brian, who was doing the spotting, and he says, nah, that's not bad. Just kind of settling in. So, Lisa, are you having fun?
I'm having a good time. I have Allen wrench. Yep. It has been fun all day until this moment when I nose dove it into the mud.
Yeah, mud is bad.
Mud is bad. But it's good learning. It's good learning. Doesn't change my thoughts.
So, Lisa, come on up here and take a look-see at what sort of carnage you've done.
That's such a sad story.
look at the wheel, like this. It's not supposed to be like this.
True.
Tire needs to be on the rim, not
Well, why did
off the rim.
Well, why did you slide it so that it fell off the rim?
Well,
sorta.
my strategy was, as I was coming down and I was sliding into the mud, I couldn't back up out of the mud. So I thought, well, what the hell? I'll just go right through it.
How did that work out for you?
It did not work out very well. 'Cause
Well-
look, this is what happened.
Well, Courtney did pull you backwards quite nicely up there, so
She
that was
really
nice.
did. She was fabulous, and that's what good friends are for.
Yep.
Yeah. I hope I didn't ruin anything else, but
Maybe your pride a little bit, but I wouldn't worry about that.
I'm not.
It
gonna
happens
cry.
to all of us.
I'm not going to cry. I won't, because I feel really good. It's been fun.
What do you think, Chris?
I think she's muddy, and here you go.
And we had hella good time.
A South Park reference. Well, Courtney, how was your day?
Great.
Hey, I think earlier today you wouldn't like the slant that you're sitting on.
It's not horrible. It's only, let me see, 18 degrees.
Yeah? Anyways, what did you think of the recovery of Lisa?
It was fun.
Did it surprise you?
A little bit.
Well, that's good.
It went easier than I thought.
Well, that's your story right now. You can tell the story to Lisa however you want, okay?
Sticking to it.
So
No.
you have one of these screws that are screwed in
Yeah.
for your caps. So you gotta get like vice grips and take it out. So just FYI, one of these are broke.
What's broke? Oh,
The cap.
Your cow.
the cap.
The actual screw
Yeah.
head is broke. So you can run it, but you'll need to get that pulled out.
But I need to get that, what you just took off?
One of those.
Yeah, you'll get one of these, but it's broken off in your wheel,
Okay.
which is fine. But you're not going to be with the cap and everything. You want to.
You're not going to be
Get
able to
a new
put the
one.
cap on your stand.
You can
Because I need the screw that goes through the cap.
Another one
And
of
you
these.
need to back out the screw that's in there.
Are you having fun, Brian?
You're not supposed to get dirty from Facebook or something.
You're going to be on YouTube.
It's going to be very popular. I really smashed her.
Yeah, you know, stagger.
I did almost stab her. Got it. So much better. The tread is a lot less for them.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah, hopefully it'll be fine.
hopefully it'll be fine.
I usually carry a 2-foot board. It didn't make the cut, but I see that
He got her.
they already got it.
Yeah, it was impact.
Oh, good lord.
Oh, yeah.
Good Lord.
This is full of mud.
Oh, yeah, I was going to say,
Sure
it's probably
is.
really heavy. I mean, a few of us
Probably
don't
is
lift
really
it up.
heavy.
Okay, if you want to rinse off anything, there's a bottle of water there on the corner.
Your hands?
Rinse off his hands, rinse off.
Nope.
Nope.
You want that with rinse off? Is that what you're talking about?
Nope.
Close.
Tires are sexy, straddle it. It's like I'm gonna smack Jennifer in a second.
So,
So you gotta go up?
yeah.
Do we got more up?
Yeah, just be careful going up with it.
Yep. I'll just use the hand thing. Thank you.
Don't go inside your Jeep. Don't put
Yep,
it
do
in.
not go
Yeah,
in.
don't go in there.
I don't care what you do.
Jeez.
Okay, stop.
There.
Anyways, Hutner, you've had an interesting day.
Oh yeah, it was an interesting day. We had the top kick fail us, and we made it here with the Dodge. And well, better late than never, I guess, huh?
Yep. Yep. So, anyways, yeah, it's been an interesting day here. I've been trying to avoid mud at all costs, and I was successful at not getting mud on the side of my vehicle. So
Yeah.
I feel pretty good about that.
Okay. Stay tuned for our next video. Well, thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.